Imagine if you could have in your pocket a bunch of tools to make small wood projects. It is possible. Here I'll show you how to combine a couple things to have that kit basically ready to go in your pocket at all times if you're traveling, backpacking, or just you want something that doesn't take a lot of space. So basically first is this kit that has a screwdriver with an extension there, and it adjusts there in the front, and in the handle it stores extra screwdriver bits for different types. It has some Phillips flatheads and some of the hexagonal or Torx, and then you can remove the extension and put a saw. There's a few types. This is a wood saw, and then you can use it that way, or you can also move it to a more ergonomic position where it's inclined with the handle. So I think that's a pretty clever way to make a tool. The other saws are for metal and PVC, and another one for drywall. This has a bigger teeth. Now something I'm adding to this kit is a countersink drill bit, which it fits there in that 1/4 inch adapter, and that lets you make the holes for the screws. So everything fits in this very tiny package that you can carry basically in your belt and then do all these different projects.